Hi, my name is Angelica Quezada. I'm in the Medical Office Administration class at SJVC, and I'm going to show you how I code a few CPT, which is Current Procedure Terminology Codes, using the CPT 2020. This is the book, and I'm going to be coding 3 codes for you and showing you how I do that. So, the first one would be the biopsy of cornea. Now, to look through it, the book, you can see that they're all different colors. So I'm going to be looking in the index to find my key words. Sometimes the index is in the front, sometimes it's in the back. In this case, in this book, it's in the back. So with biopsy of cornea, I'm going to be looking for the key term, which is cornea. So, and in this index, everything's alphabetical order, so you're able to find everything that you need. So, I'm on the page where there's cornea. I don't think, okay, yeah, you can see it. So there's the cornea, and my second key term would be the biopsy. So you can go down to biopsy, which is right here, and the number for biopsy is 65410. So I can go to 65410. Most of these have numbers already on the side, and I'll show you that in a second. 6, 5. Okay. And I found it. Right here, biopsy of cornea, 65410. Is this what I'm looking for? Yes, it is. And this part is blue, and it says it's system eye ocular adnexa. Okay. Anyways, so that one was easy. I have another one that I'm going to be looking up, which is insertion of pacemaker pulse generator only with existing single lead. So with that, go back to the index, which is in the back, the gray. So my first thought of what would be the first key term would be pacemaker. So I'll go to pacemaker in the index. Go to the P's, and I found pacemaker. Okay, I did find pacemaker, and it says C cardiac assist devices. So now, and that doesn't have a code on it. You have to go into the index still and find that in the index. So what was it again? It was cardiac assisted devices. So I'll go to the C's. And find cardiac assisted devices, which would be right here. Okay, now the second key term would be the pulse generator. So under cardiac assist devices, you would go down and try to see if you could find pulse generator, and there it is. So if you go down, you can see pulse generator, and there's 3 CPT codes for that. There's 33230, 33231, and 33249. So now we can go to the actual book part, not the index, and find those codes and see which one matches up with what we need. Okay. So we're going to go to the first one, which was the 33212. And it says insertion of pacemaker pulse generator only with existing single lead. That's exactly what we're looking for, so I don't have to go and look at the other codes to figure out that they're wrong and this one's the one that I need. Okay, now to the last one. I chose long chain omega-3 fatty acids and red blood cells membranes. Now, this one was a little hard to figure out which one to have for the key term. Ultimately, I looked up long chain, couldn't find long chain. So my second choice that I thought was red blood cells. So I went into the index and searched red blood cells. Red blood cell. Okay. Which is right here in the index. It's blue bold red blood cells, RBC. So then I would suppose that the second key term would be the omega-3 fatty acids, which is right under the red blood cells. So it's right here, omega-3 fatty acids, and it's 0111T. Now, I found this a little harder because I was looking through all of the systems, couldn't find it. I didn't exactly know where to look. But there's these other tabs. There's category 3 and category 2 codes, which they're temporary codes for emerging services, technology services. Well, finally found it, and it was really easy at that point when I figured out exactly where it was. But it's right here, 0111T, long chain omega-3 fatty acids and red blood cells membranes. And that's how I look up my CPT codes. Thank you.